MN Bharat enters the cage. Both fighters touch gloves. And here we go.
Oh, clean.
That is what I love about flyweights. They just throw hands, and that too with accuracy. Great cross by Bharat. Nice leg kick by Badal. Nice leg kick by Badal. Nice leg kick by Badal. Badal going for the leg, but Bharat has a strong cross, and that cross
And he's down.
landed. That cross landed. Nice cross by Badal. Nice cross by Bharat, sorry.
Bharat.
Badal says he's okay.
These guys are swinging.
They are nice, deep by Bharat.
Saksham, just as we expected, the bout just exploded.
Yeah, it's just
Right
round
away.
one, but they need to conserve their energy.
Yeah.
There are 3 rounds. I think I was just about to say the fighters are slowing down, but here they explode again.
Bharat is constantly throwing his cross. I think that's his weapon.
Badal has strong leg kick. I think he needs to cover that with a punch.
Badal needs to go on the offense before Bharat throws a punch.
Nice jab cross by Bharat. Nice knee by Badal. I think that knee landed on the body. Nice leg
Nice
kick
kick.
by Badal. I think Bharat is slowing down a little bit now, right now. I think Bharat is throwing a great cross, but he needs to hide that cross behind a jab.
Yes,
He's
yes.
just throwing a cross. Referee says no clinch. There is no clinch in amateur K1. I think Bharat is a little tired. Nice spinning kick. End of round 1. What an explosive round 1. And that too with technique, by the way.
Yep.
It wasn't like they were just exploding. There was technique, great kicks, great leg kicks by Badal, great
Powerful crosses.
powerful
by Bharat.
crosses by Bharat. I think end of round 1, Bharat is leading
Bharat
for
seems
sure.
to be leading for sure. Here we go for the round number 2.
And round number 2 starts. I think Bharat is leading in round 2. Coming to round 2, Bharat is in lead for sure. But I think Badal has regained confidence. The strong leg kicks. The leg kicks are very strong, and
And he's straightly targeting his calf.
Bharat is not checking
Not
them.
able to check it. Yeah.
But again, Badal needs to hide those leg kicks behind a punch. Oh, nice
Nice.
head kick by Badal.
Badal seems to be much more confident in this round and is going on an offense.
Yeah, I think the strategy is definitely working on what Badal is on right now. He's going with a strong leg kick, and Bharat is not checking the leg kicks. I also feel Bharat is a little tired now.
Tired, yeah.
Again, a strong leg kick.
Bharat is
But I guess
constantly
that-
going for the head, whereas Badal is constantly going for the legs.
Legs. I think Bharat is a little tired.
Badal in the offense.
I think Badal needs to do a little more body work and strike with a
clean
nice cross
That's a
connected
good
by
one. That's a good one.
nice cross connected by Badal.
Great work by Badal. Great work.
Good cross by Badal.
Bharat needs to get his guard up.
Referee giving count. Bharat says he's okay. Fight continues. Oh, nice cross connected by Badal again. Nice leg kick by Badal again.
Bharat needs to step up his game with combinations rather than just throwing crosses.
If Bharat needs to conserve his stamina, that is also fine in this round, but he needs to defend.
Yes.
Right now, he's getting landed by those cross and leg kicks, both.
And Badal is getting really creative with his combinations.
Oh, nice cross
nice
connected
cross.
by Bharat. Referee warns Bharat to not hit behind the head. Bharat is definitely tired. He's swinging nice jab connected by Badal. Bharat is backing up.
The pace has definitely taken a back step for round number 2.
I think, oh, Superman
Oh.
punch by Badal. Great round 2 for Badal. I think now the scorecards would be equal. A lot more of action by Badal in round 2.
Yeah.
Round 1 was difficult, but great start to round 2.
This is getting really interesting, man.
And we're going to begin with round 3. This is the final round of this fight.
This is probably going to be a decisive round for both the fighters.
Yes, definitely. Bharat comes in strong. I think his spirits are back up. But nice leg kick by Badal again. Nice leg kick by Badal again. I think Bharat is
Badal
hurt a
is in
little bit
his
in the
shape
leg.
right now. Badal is in shape right now. Badal seems much more on the offense
I
and
think
much
Badal's
more confident.
confidence is,
Yeah.
has increased by a lot, and Bharat's has gone down.
I think Bharat's mouth guard.
Mouth guard. The referee gives count, standing count to Bharat. Nice cross
Bharat
connected by
start.
Bharat. Both fighters showing a lot of spirits. Both have landed some great shots. But Badal right now on offense and Bharat on defense, and that will harm his scorecards.
And Badal is constantly moving forward, forcing Bharat to take a back step.
I think the leg kicks are getting to Bharat for sure. Oh, nice Superman punch. Nice leg
cross by
kick.
Bharat.
Oh, Badal is going for the finish right now. The referee gives a standing count again to Bharat. This is the second standing count in this round.
And we resume the fight.
What a comeback by Badal. What a comeback by Badal. He's taking this round.
Oh.
Nice jab landed by Badal.
Badal getting really
Bharat
creative
needs
with
to
his strikes,
Bharat needs to
really
realize
getting-
it's the last round. He needs to show a little more spirits. I know he's tired, but right now Badal is
Bharat
completely.
needs to stand his ground and fight.
Again, good leg kick, but nice cross landed by Badal. Badal needs to defend. Nice leg kick by Badal.
The referee separates them, no clinches in K1.
Again, a great. Oh, nice
Oh.
cross landed by Bharat. That was a very strong cross. I think that down.
I think that landed.
That landed.
That definitely landed.
That rocked Badal for sure.
Was it a
That
cross?
yeah, it was a cross. It was a cross.
Beautiful.
That cross rocked Badal.
Bharat needs to go at it. Go at it.
Oh, nice overhand by Badal.
And with the last 10
Last
seconds.
10 seconds, nice spinning kick. Great fight by both of the opponents. Both fighters show strong spirits,
These
and we
men
are end
are-
of round 3. What a fight!
What a fight. What a fight. Well, the scoring is going to be interesting for this one.
Yes, I am very excited. I am very excited for the scorecards, Puneet.
Yeah.
I think it's going to be very close. I think
Badal has a
should
slight
take it,
edge.
slight
for
edge,
sure.
but like that knockdown towards the
Yeah,
end, it was a
yeah.
proper knockdown. But very strong comeback from Badal. Fight by both the fighters. Both athletes showed lot of spirit.
Okay, guys, so the winner is blue corner.
Badal wins this fight.
wins the
What a
round.
comeback by Badal after Bharat took the first round for sure, but what a comeback by Badal. Great fight.
Okay, guys, so we are starting with the fourth bout. Kairaj Joshi from Vicious Combat Academy. Blue corner.